Hello and good evening, everyone. This is Khyati, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be going through Exclusive Vision Hospital Information System software that is developed by Kian Technology. What is visible on your screen is the landing page of Exclusive Vision. On the right hand side, we have number of roles and users and the action required. Before we begin, I would just like to reiterate on why is it crucial. It's an comprehensive healthcare organization system which manages all hospital administration operations in one integral platform, a platform that is also unified digital system that approves data accuracy and reduces paperwork and errors. Now we'll go with super admin first. Super admin dashboard. Here, the super admin dashboard is visible. It is the top level system control and it is the top level system control. The purpose is to have absolute control and visibility on the entire system. We can see the total number of clinics, active clinics, total users, subscription status, clinic management, modules, admins, etc. Coming on to the next dashboard, we have clinic admin dashboard. Clinic admin dashboard manages departments and clinics, manages all the clinical operations, ensures every department runs smoothly, and follows policies. Like we can see total number of bookings, total appointments, today's revenue, pending bill, staff count, etc. Then we come on to the next dashboard, that is doctor's dashboard. As the name suggests, this is for clinical care, specifically designed for doctors, which enables doctors to focus on patient care without administrative burdens. So here they can fix appointments with any patient, the number of total patients treated, what is the wait list of their patients, how many patients did they see today, diagnosed today. Overall summary can view from here. Coming on to the next, we have receptionist dashboard. Receptionist dashboard, it is for front desk operations, which handles patients flow and ensures organized check-ins and appointments. Like you can see total number of appointments, total patients, what are the pending approvals, how many token or queue is there, calendar bookings, billing, etc. Here comes the next dashboard, that is pharmacy. This is for drug and medicine management. You can view prescription helps. It also helps in efficient pharmacy operations with accurate stock and dispensing of medicines. Like you can see inventory, the total number of inventory is 14, the total number of sales for today is 8. How many prescriptions did they see? 21. What is the stock? 9. So it's low stock. So even you can check what all medicines we are running out of. So you can stock it in as soon as possible. The next dashboard we have is pharmacy. Pharmacy we did. The next dashboard is lab technician. Lab technician manages lab workflow and integrates results into patients' records. That's all. It's there. Nothing more. Then comes radiology dashboard. For radiology, this is medical imaging management. You can view radiology order, image reports that integrates results into patients' charts. So here are 8 pending reports and one is completed today. Coming on to the next dashboard, we have accountant dashboard. It is basically for financial management. This dashboard ensures financial health, taxation, compliance, and billing of accuracy. You can see the total income for today, pending payments, expenses incurred, and the pending invoices, recent financial activity. Likewise, the next dashboard is document controller. So, document controller dashboard mainly helps in healthcare documents and records management. It ensures secure digital storage and easy retrieval of records. You can see total clinical records, pending processing, upload, archive. The last dashboard for today is patient dashboard. As the name suggests, it is patient-centric interface that empowers patients with visibility into their own care. The total number of bookings that the patient did, what was his history, total clinical records, what were his reports and records, when did he book the appointment, if he or she wants to book a new appointment, they can book it from here, the total number of appointments, the history, you can get it from here, and also the settings part wherein they can change their password. So it basically enables real time reporting and analytics, also beneficial for managing hospital and patients and their data without the hassle of managing paperwork. If you want to have if you want to switch to a smarter version, uh, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.